Day 17 of 60, and today we're defusing one of the most common time bombs in cloud security, long-lived secrets. Picture this: a leaked EC2 instance profile fetches your RDS database password and quietly ships it off-site. Game over, right? Not if you've done what we're about to do. By the end of these 5 minutes, you'll turn AWS Secrets Manager from a glorified .env file into a hardened, auditable, self-rotating secret system. Let's build the defense layer by layer. First, stop thinking of Secrets Manager as just a place to store strings. The real power is the trifecta: resource policies, automatic rotation, and CloudTrail auditing. Most teams nail step 1 and skip the other 2. That's how a credential stays valid for 18 months while 3 engineers who left still know it. We're going to lock down who can read a secret, make the secret expire on its own, and watch every single access in real time. Defense Layer 1, the resource policy. Even if an attacker steals a role with getSecretValue, we deny the call unless it originates from inside our VPC. Attach a resource-based policy with an explicit deny on Secrets Manager, getSecretValue, conditioned on string not equals for AWS source VPC matching your VPC ID. Now a leaked credential fetched from some random attacker IP outside your network gets a flat access denied. Pair that with an identity policy scoping getSecretValue to one specific secret ARN, not a wildcard, and lateral movement dies at the door. Layer 2, automatic rotation, so even a successful leak self-destructs. Wire up AWS Secrets Manager secret rotation pointing at the native Lambda rotation function for RDS, set rotation rules to 30 days. Here's the magic: the rotation uses a staged pattern: create secret, set secret, test secret, finish secret. It provisions the new password as AWS PNDNG, tests it, then flips the OSCurrent label. Your application always reads AWS CURRENT, so credentials cycle every 30 days with 0 downtime and 0 code changes. That's stolen password? Worthless in a month, automatically. On the client side, fetch smart. Call get_secret_value once at cold start, cache it in memory with a TTL, don't hammer the API on every request. That insecure fetch on every call pattern throttles you and floods CloudTrail with noise. In Boto 3, wrap it, catch resource not found exception, and critically, catch the rotation window gracefully so a mid-rotation read retries against OSCurrent instead of crashing. Cache, TTL, handle rotation. 3 lines of discipline that save you a 3 AM page. Layer 3, detection. Rotation buys you time, but you want to know the instant something's wrong. Query CloudTrail for getSecretValue events and alert on anomalies, caller ARNs you don't recognize, source IPs outside your VPC CIDR, and access at 2 AM when nobody's deploying. Then turn on CloudTrail Insights so it fires automatically when the getSecretValue call rate spikes above baseline. A compromised instance scraping secrets in a loop lights up immediately. That's exfiltration detection without writing a CM rule from scratch. Going cross-account? This is where everyone gets burned. You add a resource policy in account A granting getSecretValue to a role ARN in account B, looks done. But it silently fails with access denied. The gotcha: the secret is encrypted with a KMS key, and that key's policy in account A must also explicitly grant account B KMS decrypt. 2 grants, not 1, the secret policy and the KMS key policy. Miss the second and you'll burn an hour staring at a permissions error that lies to you. Quick hygiene audit you can run today: AWS Secrets Manager list secrets, then filter for rotation enabled equals false to find every secret silently aging out. Pipe get resource policy through JQ to hunt wildcard principles. And check last access date to flag stale secrets older than 90 days, Dead credentials are pure blast radius with no upside. Delete them or rotate them. Day 17 done. The takeaway: a secret isn't secure because it's in Secrets Manager, it's secure when it's VPC locked, auto-rotating, and audited. That's the trifecta. Subscribe for day 18, where we tackle KMS key policies in depth.